So when people arrive in Faroe Islands, they expect many things. Many people know that the weather in Faroe Islands is very changing. The wind, the fog, the sun, the rain and everything, it changes from seconds. You will get what you get when the weather is good or it's bad, but you can make a great experience out of it when you are on the catamaran. So the guests that come on board, I want them to feel the calmness and the freedom when you are on the water. It connects to your soul because it's so quiet. We take our time and there's no rush. It's not a fast sailing boat. We enjoy the time we have with our guests. So we try to show our guests the experience of the water. This area is not just beautiful and quiet, it's also very meaningful for the Faroe Islands. We try to show respect to the landscape while we show you and give you this beautiful experience. I think it's very important to share this experience with others because you will get a connection through your soul and the nature, but that experience you won't get when you are just rushing through it all and trying to get to see everything. Nowadays everything is just so rushed through, and when they come here on our boat, we want them to connect with nature, get them to feel what they have maybe never felt before with the nature, to get them to not just look at it and how beautiful it is, but also just to feel it. We want to give them memories for life, get to know each other a little bit, do it so they feel safe and get a great experience. I hope people will leave with a feeling of gratitude, a core memory that they will remember for the rest of their life. Not just a memory about a basic boat tour, because it's not just about the boat and about the views. It's about how they feel, what feeling they get when they are in the nature, and I hope that they will leave with a smile on their face and maybe a bit more respect about the nature, and yeah, got a great experience while they were here.